using YH-OBD Platform to correction the mileage of VW MQB 1404 dashboard. Turn on the ignition and light up the odometer, record the original mileage, then remove the odometer. Power on the ACDP. Open ACDP app. Confirm in the upper right corner that the ACDP device has been bound. Click VW. Click VW MQB IMMO. Click MQB 48490 Method 2. Click OBD Identify UDS. Click the Help option on the YH platform. Connect ACDP, the interface board of the YH platform, and the VW odometer properly. Push the switch of the interface board towards the CAN R. Click Identify Info YH platform. Click OK. Click Continue. Verify 6N and mileage. Click Continue. Verify chip model. Click OK. OBD Identify Info Finish. Click OK. Click OK. Back to the previous step. According to the identified chip model, click on its help. Disassemble the odometer and connect ACDP, the interface board, and it properly. Click R7F701402-B. Click Identify Info. Click OK. Click Continue. Click Continue. Verify whether need pre-process. No. If yes, pre-process. If no, no pre-processing. Click OK. Identify chip info finish. Click OK. Click OK. If the chip requires pre-processing, click Pre-process chip. This video skips chip pre-processing. Click OBD plus ICP Reset Mileage. Click Reset Mileage YH Platform. Click Step 1 ICP Modify Data. Click OK. Click Continue. Click Continue. Verify system info. Click Continue. Click OK. Save the original data of the instrument. Pay attention to the path, date, time, and file name of the file backup. Click OK. Click Continue. Modify odometer data finish. Click OK. Click OK. Click the help of Step 2. Connect ACDP, the interface board of the YH platform, and the VW odometer properly. Push the switch of the interface board towards the CAN R. Click Step 2 OBD Modify Mileage. Click OK. Click Continue. Verify system info. Click Continue. Click on the mileage number and enter the mileage number. Click OK. Click Continue. Reset mileage finish. Click OK. Click OK. Connect the ACDP, the interface board, and the odometer properly. Click Step 3 ICP Write Data. Click OK. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click OK. Select the original data of the instrument. According to the date and time, select the coding data ending with F or IG. Click OK. Save the generate data of the instrument. Click OK. Click Continue. Write odometer data is finish. Click OK. Click OK. Go back to the main menu. Click OBD Identify UDS. Connect ACDP, the interface board of the YH platform, and the VW odometer properly. Click Identify Info YH Platform. Verify if the odometer mileage is normal. Or reinstall the odometer in the car. Verify if the odometer mileage is normal. Thank you for watching.